Alright, what's up YouTube? Back with another video. As you can see by title and thumbnail, I done did the stunt bar setup on the buddy. Got the straight bar, straight stem, clamp, whatever. Pro taper bars, I see. With that ting. But yeah, everything around here got the V-touch too. Know that. Hand cake. Wow, nigga. I got an issue. When I installed the bars, I installed the throttle cable wrong, so when I turned the bike to the right, the bike starts going by itself. So yeah, it's like a death trap. Need to fix that. I'm just gonna go around the block real quick, do a little bit for y'all. You know me. First wheelie on that. Alright, let's move on. Alright, y'all. The end of today's video. The bars feel amazing. Just gotta fix the throttle. Y'all can see I was getting busy. Next on the bike is I got a seat cover. Show y'all that soon. Do a video on that. I got an exhaust. I got the big bore kit. I just gotta get all the matching components. Do the full build on this John. And outside 4th of July, we active on the track. Like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all fucking with the videos, you know, just do this shit for fun. Just showing y'all what I do. Whew.